Here we are. I was actually going to start with the dollar, but I've got the yen charts up. So why don't we start with the yen? Okay, whilst we're here. All right. So weekly dollar yen, euro yen, Aussie yen, CAD yen, pound yen, Swiss yen, Kiwi yen, and the Nikkei. Maybe we will put these all onto. Maybe we'll put these onto the kind of weekly charts. So we're a bit mixed there, aren't we? I'm afraid. Yeah, interesting. Weekly. Boom. All right, CAD yen as well. All right, so I think you can probably pretty much see the what the story is, isn't it? You can pretty much see. All right, dollar yen, that's weak yen weakness. Euro yen, that's yen weakness. Aussie yen, that is yen weakness. CAD yen, that is yen weakness. Pound yen weakness. Swiss yen, definite yen weakness. Interestingly, Kiwi yen, that's just batting back and forth, isn't it? And remember who's at the bottom of the stam and has been for months? Well, Kiwi and yen. What a shocker! All right, what an absolute shocker. We always want to be buying strength through weakness, but you know, whenever you see the price action, it helps just confirm that stand. All right, Kiwi and yen have been weak, so look at them. They've just literally bounced there in a range between what 86.40 and 88.40, a 200 pip range for what that's getting on for like 4 or 5 months. Now, I know some people would love to trade ranges and stuff, and will be all over that like a cheap suit. So you look at that. Yeah, if you look at that for those kind of last couple of months and stuff, and you look at the dailies on that, that's just been swings, hasn't it? It's just swings there. Okay, so there is always opportunity, but part of it is CPTs. But understand the context first. Okay, context, then pattern, then type of trading, and being able to adapt. Whereas the others, as you can see, that is just yen weakness. That's yen weakness. Okay, and you're seeing it on the charts. So why would you fight it? Honestly, why would you fight it? What's the point on that? Okay, there are, as I said, every year, at the start of every year, you'll see there's 3 to 6 super trends that get into full flow. You don't know when they're going to come. You don't know where they're going to come. Your idea is to basically keep doing your weekly analysis so that you start to build up an understanding. You start to build a picture. You start to recognize, what drone operators call patterns of life, etc. And that's what you're looking to do here. And so when there is a big super trend like that, like there is in yen weakness, you don't fight it. You find out, right, well, actually, how can I get a piece of that? How can I get a piece of that? And really for the best part of this year, you look at that Swiss yen, okay? Swiss yen, that has just been one-way traffic, hasn't it? We've printed this. This would have been, yeah, I was going to say end of July. All right, there's always a yen issue around the end of July. Look at this. That was July of last year, July of this year. Right, there's always somebody goes a bit mad, and it looks like it has a couple of weeks off and then one, it just continues on. Okay, that's it. Now, there's lots of, I think, big structural problems in Japan. I think there's also going to be changes with the new prime minister. So we will have to wait and see. But at that moment, that has continued to just basically drift its way there. Okay. So why fight that? Why not just, why haven't you been trying to find a way to ride it?